Yo guys, in this video I'm going to show you what can you do with spam comments. So if you run a blog or something, you will show actually blog you will show the spam comment like this. So currently I have two spam comments. I don't even know about what are those comments, so there has no full comment. So by the way, what can we do with this comment? That is easy. Just convert this comment to good comment. Convert this spam comment to good comment. To do that, click on go to your comment section and click on edit. After that, you can remove this text and add your own text, like nice article, keep it up, like this. After that, click on update. Then click on approve. Then I have another comment. Click on edit, then remove it. After that, great content, thank you for sharing valuable information. Okay, nice. Click on update and click on approve. Also, you have to remove those names because those names are not real. So to do that, go to new tab and search fake address generators. In here, go to first one and copy this full name, paste on here, click on update. After that, edit this one too. Okay, refresh this fake name generator and you will get new name. This is a new one, and remove this name too. Okay, click on update. So this is how you can handle the spam comments. So if I go to my content, okay, now we see our comment like this. So this is how you can handle the fake comments. So see you in next video. Bye bye.